Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make vegan taco shells. First, gather your essential ingredients: 1 cup of masa harina, 3/4 of a cup of warm water, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Make sure your masa harina is certified gluten-free if that's a dietary need. Prepare your workspace with a tortilla press or 2 flat, heavy surfaces, and some parchment paper for easy handling. This setup ensures a smooth and efficient process from start to finish. Now let's mix our dough. In a medium bowl, combine the 1 cup of masa harina with the 3/4 of a cup of warm water and the 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Gently mix until a shaggy dough forms, then knead it for about 5 minutes. The dough should become smooth and pliable, feeling like soft Play-Doh. It shouldn't stick to your hands. If it does, add a tiny bit more masa harina. This perfect consistency is key for great shells. Next, we'll form and cook our tortillas. Divide your dough into 12 equal balls, each roughly 1.5 inches in diameter. Place each ball between 2 pieces of parchment paper and press it into a thin 6-inch tortilla using your press or rolling pin. Cook each tortilla on a hot, dry griddle or cast iron pan for about 1 minute per side until you see light brown spots and it puffs slightly. This quick cook sets the stage for crispy shells. Finally, let's shape and finish our taco shells. Immediately after cooking, while the tortillas are still warm and pliable, drape them over a cooling rack or a specialized taco holder. This allows them to cool and firm up into that classic taco shell shape. Let them cool completely for about 10 minutes to achieve maximum crispiness. Store any leftover shells in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 3 days, ready for your next taco night.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.